you're talking about tightening existing fence, it's probably the best tool I've ever seen. This is pretty highly superior in terms of time and quality of the stretch you can put on your fence.
Didn't take very long to see the need for it once I looked at it.
Well, time-wise, it probably takes a good 20 minutes or so to do it with the other type stretchers, where this one probably less than a minute.
Folks, when your fences begin looking like this, and they all will eventually, sooner or later everybody's fence looks like this, we found it's a lot easier to keep your fences up than it is to get them up, so why don't we go ahead and take them up. So why don't we take and lock our tool on the fence like this. We're simply going to open up one side of the jaw, lock it on, open up the other side. We're going to turn our body sideways because all of our strength, folks, is in our torso. If you'll notice how tight I can pull that fence right there, the tighter I pull it, the tighter the fence stays. And one of the big problems with fencing tools is that when you take your tool off the fence goes slack again. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a short piece of wire, we're going to lay it across the face of the tool, we're going to take a nice short wrap on this side, we're going to come over here, we're going to take a nice short wrap on this side like this. Everybody that takes a slack out of fence has to deal with this excess material you have. So what we've done, rather than cut this or splice it or put a sleeve in it, we've decided the best thing to do is to just put it right back into the fence where we took it out of, just like this. So use your fencing pliers and simply weave it right back into the fence where you took it out of. The more you weave, the tighter your fence becomes, the neater your splice looks, and the looser your chain gets. Remember how tight my chain was when I started? Now if you'll notice, that fence is just nice and bowstring tight, just like we wanted it to be when we started out.